Hello everyone. Today I want to tell the monkeys and the capsular story. Let's start. Once upon a time there was a cap seller. He was selling caps. Caps, 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 caps. Red caps, orange caps, colorful caps, caps for sale. Once in hot summer day, he was going to sell caps in a village market. He was carrying a basket full of caps on his head. He was going through a forest. He got very tired in the heat of the sun. So he decided to take rest under a tree for relax. He put his basket on the ground and fell asleep. There were monkeys on that tree. They came down and took all the caps and climbed up. When the cap seller woke up, he saw basket was empty. He surprised to see monkeys were wearing his caps. Cap seller said, "Those caps are mine! Give it to me!" Monkeys started shouting. Cap seller got very angry and said, "Oh no, what will I do?" Monkeys did say he realized that monkeys were imitating him. So he thought of a plan. He threw his own cap on the ground and monkeys threw their caps on the ground. He was happy to see that his plan worked. He collected all the caps and went away happily. So friends, what we learn from this story? Clever thinking works when strength fails. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for